Welcome. In front of me is a Honor X8 and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, all you need to do is open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my end. Just make sure that your content is also visible on your screen that you want to capture, obviously. From there, all you need to do is hold power key and the volume down at the same time. You'll have this pop up. It gives you two options: swipe up to share and swipe down to capture a scrollable screenshot, which on the home screen won't be accessible, but in places like settings where you can scroll down, should be. Now once you have captured your screenshot, you can find it in your gallery application and you can navigate to the albums, and here you're looking for screenshot album, and it does double as a also screen recording album, so you'll need to kind of look through it, but as you can see there is my screenshot. So with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.